Privacy is a fundamental right, and Microsoft has a long-standing commitment to privacy and security in the systems and products that we build. With AI and machine learning, we add new complexity to those systems and an increased reliance on using data to develop those systems, to train the systems. That increasing reliability on data adds new requirements for keeping the system secure. For example, we're using more data. We need to ensure the protection of that data, that it's not leaked or disclosed. One of the ways we approach that is to not remove the data from a customer's device, to run the models locally on the device, eliminating that potential vulnerability. When we consider the security aspects of these AI systems, you have to think through where and how the data is coming from, if it's user-submitted data or a public data source that's being used in the prediction. How do you prevent that from being corrupted? Having things like anomaly detection or other systems for detecting changes in the data that might indicate that there's an adversary trying to influence the results of the system.